What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing another custom. So we are going to add some color and make it a lot prettier than this blank all white. Ew.
Brother, ugh.
Ew. Anyways, let's just get straight into it. Started off removing the laces and prepping the shoe with acetone. Now I'm shifting my energy towards taping off the shoe. I am taping up any part that I don't want my first color to hit. I get a lot of questions with what airbrush I use. I use the Master airbrush. Before I start airbrushing, I do mix too thin into my paint and strain it into my airbrush. And then I start applying thin, light layers. We don't want to get that color, the initial color that we want right away. We're gonna gradually get into that color that we want. I do hit it with my heat gun in between coats, and I probably apply about 5 to 6 coats, or until I get a nice even color that I want. I also do want to point out, in between coats, you want to make sure that your paint is completely dry before you are applying another coat. That's why I hit it with a heat gun in between those coats. I wanted to keep this full clip in here because I wanted to show you guys the entire process from beginning to end of how to airbrush a certain section on a shoe. If you are liking the content, make sure you guys are going down and subscribing, turning on that post bell notifications, and also liking and commenting. Share it with your family, friends, whoever you think would find this helpful. I would appreciate that so much. Now that I got to the desired color that I want, I will then take off that tape and tape off around the next part for my next color and do the same exact process, starting with those thin light layers. And then I went in and I did start painting the sock liner. I added some rope laces and some off-white style hoops to the shoe. And then I started applying some rhinestones to the Nike swoosh. I did this by just getting some flat back rhinestones and applying some glue onto the Nike swoosh and just kind of placing those on there. Hey y'all, and just like that, I am finally done. I'm not sure why it took me a couple of days to finish these ones. Been working on a few other projects, but this is the results of the shoes. These are super clean, super nice. I love the blue two-tones. I need you guys' help. I need more ideas. What you guys want to see from me? Do you guys like me explaining and walking you through of every single custom? Do you want me to switch it up? Do you want me to see something? You want to see me do something different? Vlogging, challenges, anything like that? Let me know if you guys want to see that from me. If not, I'm cool with doing what I do. I need you guys to comment down below. Let me know. Other than that, drop a thumbs up on this video. Make sure to go down and comment again what you guys want to see. Make sure you are subscribed and hitting that bell notified to be notified every single time I post. And as always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.